Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart 2019, and I will show you how to clear credentials. So we'll start by opening up the settings app, then go all the way down into security and privacy, then more settings, and from here you will see encryption and credentials right here, and then at the bottom you have delete all credentials. So tap on it and confirm it, and the process is done. So that is how you clear the credentials. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.